Well, it's been a long day of working here at the dealership, so I think I'm gonna fire up my Tucson. But I can't get in. What the heck is wrong with these other Hyundai drivers right here, especially on that side? My goodness. By the way, I haven't shown you the remote yet, and well, there's a reason for that. Check that out. You know there's a remote start on there because I used it, but what about these two buttons right here with the arrow facing up and the arrow facing down? Well, that corresponds with what I'm about to do. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hold down this button with the P on it that has the down facing arrow, and watch what's gonna happen, because when you run into numbskulls who wanna park too close to you, who are driving Jeeps or jacked up trucks or anything like that, well, here's what's gonna happen. Watch that. Oh my goodness. Now I can get into my Tucson. That is awesome. And here's something that's even more cool about this. Notice how fast it stopped right there. I'm gonna come back over here. Wesley is helping me out on the camera, so we're gonna show you exactly how this works. So I'm gonna hit that one more time. I'm gonna hold that down. It goes into reverse, just so you can see how easy it is for those who might say, well, what happens if you need to stop the vehicle real quick? You let go of the button. See that? It stopped immediately. What I'm gonna do also, just to show you another demonstration of this, we're gonna back it up just a little bit further, just so that we can demonstrate something else that's really important, a safety feature on here. So if something unusual were to happen and somebody maybe jumped in front of the vehicle, or if whatever, watch. I'm just gonna stand in front of the vehicle right here, and I'm gonna hold the button down. In fact, I'll stand right here just to kind of make it a little bit easier, but just so you can see what happens. So you can see that it's starting to come forward. I'm gonna stand right where I am. Is it gonna run over me? Nope. It's gonna go around. It turned the front tires to the right to get around me. The parking sensors helping out with that. That is so cool. You can't beat that kind of a feature. How cool is that to know that Hyundai has technology like this?